May hapon si Yuki. Yawa tugnaw sa Japan karon. It's snowing. It's snowing here. Hi. Hi, Huo. Hello. Yawa tugnaw sa Japan. Nako sa Hikone sa Shiga prefecture sa Japan karon. Very white here, very white, completely white right here. I'm wet. I'm very wet, non-sexual meaning. Hello, tugnaw, yeah, tugnaw na. Yawa tugnaw here. I'm at Shiga prefecture right now. Hikone. This is Hikone castle. Speak louder. Can you hear me? Really, I'm speaking louder. Is my voice small? Like give hot or hello. Yeah. This is like hello. Hello. I wouldn't eat it. This is not clean. Yeah. Snowball. Yeah, I can make a snowball. Yuki. Actually, my name is not Snow. My name means courage. Osaka Castle. No, this is Hikone Castle in Shiga prefecture. My tugnaw. Yawa tugnaw. Yawa tugnaw dire. Yeah. Tourists can enter here. It's okay. Nidot kaayo dire. Yeah. See. Trees are white. White trees here and here. Trees are very white. Snow Angel Yuki. Snow Angel Yuki. Oh, see Yuki. Asaimo mask Yuki-san here. Mask is here, but this is fine because there's not crowded here. Haro. Oh, yeah, this is like haro. Say Yawa sa Japanese. Kuso. 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 Yeah. Very white here. Yeah. Mukaon ka halo. Mukaon halo. See. Okay. Tugnaw kaayo. I go wet. I'm kidding. Yeah, very snow. Yeah, very snow. But this is not painful because snow is very soft here. See. See. Okay. This is snow, and this is stacking around. How much? 20 centimeters or 30 centimeters here. Oh, see, and this is very, very soft, like haro haro. Oh, ice. Oh, yeah, haro haro ice. Yo, what to do now? Yeah, what to do now? Snoke. No, my name doesn't mean snow. Hello. Samui kaayo. Samui kaayo. Yeah, tugnaw kaayo diri. Tugnaw kaayo diri. Ah, here's the character of Hikone Castle. Hikone prefecture. Yes. Yes, here's Chinese. Oh. He names Hikonyang. Hikonyang. Yay! Hello. Hello. I'll take screenshot. Hello. And I'm taking screenshot. Okay, okay. How can I hide comments? Oh, this is very, very nice. Nice position. Oh. Yeah, samui. Tugnaw kaayo. Tugnaw kaayo. Okay, okay. Okay. Hello. Oh, yeah. Kawaii. Kawaii kaayo. 好きです、ゆうきくん。Thank you, John. It's like bright. よいしょ。See. You can take screenshot. It's snowing and Nindot Kaayo. How can I say? The town. Let's go down to the town. Very white. Very fucking white. Hello, hello. Very cold. It's freezing outside. Oh. Unsai Lisa sa snow. Unsai Lisa sa snow. Lisa, what's Lisa? Lisa sounds like girl's name. Very すげえとこにいるな。コロナに気をつけて。Thank you. Thank you, Kenta. Lisa. What is Lisa? Taste. Ah, I see, I see. Taste? Maybe nothing. Like, oh. What if you eat halo halo without sugar? Do you feel anything like that? So, no taste. But I wouldn't eat it because this is, how can I say, this is not clean. Hello, Rika. Hello. Come on. Let's go. Let's go down. Ah, it's slippery. Oh, very sleepy. Is it so cold there? Yawa tugnaw dire. Yawa. No understand here. Can you try to make a snowman clear, Yuki? Yeah. Yeah, I can try, but I wanna go down. Ah. It's freezing outside. 冬が懐かしい。I see. Yawa tugnaw dire. Asana da bit. ございます。Asana da bit. はい。ありがとうございます。
少し履いておりますから。
Nakosa Hikone sa Shiga prefecture sa Japan. No, not Tokyo and not Osaka. Shiga did it. Yuki-san is playing with the Yuki. Yeah. Yuki is playing in snow. Yeah. うわ。青森。I'm going down to the town. Aomori? No. Shiga. Wakanai. No. Not Hokkaido. This is Shiga prefecture. Near dual Kyoto. Gopu kaayo see Yuki. Oh, you're a culture of man. You're a man of culture. Yeah. You're a man of culture. Hi, Kim. Hello. See, very beautiful building here. See, this is the nature art. Incredible. All part of Japan has a snow. No, only, how can I say, northern side. But that's very wide. Oh, yeah. Check this out again. Very beautiful buildings. Yay. Yeah, I'll take a screenshot. Nice. Oh. Okay. Okay. I took nice screenshots. Hi, Guapo. Yeah. Hey, it's me. Warai geisha ron. Geisha wara. This is only at Kyoto. Nindot kaayo diru. Konnichiwa, mi-chan. Konnichiwa. Tugnaw sa Japan. Free Wi-Fi on the Yuki. Free Wi-Fi? What do you mean? Are you using free Wi-Fi? Hey guys, I will send you can of snow. Just kidding. Do not entry. I can't send it. I'm going down to the town. Town is very beautiful. I'll show you later. I'm going down right now. Hey, it's hard. It's hard to, how can I say, go down or going up. Because this is a castle. To protect the castle or landlord. Yokohama? Rayo sa Yokohama. What do you mean? Yokohama? Kansai. Ah, this is Kansai. Yeah. Okay. See, this is very beautiful. Oh, okay, I can zoom. See, can you see here? Can you see here? Very, very nindot kaayo diri. Nindot kaayo. Kaayo and people working. Oh, thank you. Thank you for your job. Thank you, people. Oh, staff members are removing snow. Oh, yeah, far. Is it far from Yokohama? Ah, I see. Oh, yeah, that's far. Oh. Ligian and Dalankuya. Ah, sorry, I don't understand. Roppongi is in Tokyo. Speaking in Kansai dialect, please, not Tokyo. なんでやねん。サバディハ、なんでやねん。ムスタディハバディ。Como está? This, see my step. This is very white. Yeah, very white. Very sleepy. Oh, Kenta, you can poop. Yes, you can. Do not hesitate to poop. You feel free to poop. Feel free to poop, Kenta. Piraka degrees. Maybe it's 3 degrees here. You guys, do you have syrup? Do you have syrup? Or condensed milk? Yuki wa Kansaijin. Yeah, I'm Kansaijin. Yeah, I speak Kansai dialect. Yeah, consume. Sorry, I didn't understand. Michel, hello. Order hello. Okay, you can order hello. So I'll serve you this hello. Yeah, I can sell you free hello. So I can earn money. Thank you. Unsai halo halo in Kansai. What do you mean? Then unsai sushi sa bisaya. What are you asking about? Unsai sushi sa bisaya. Unsai yawa sa Kansai, Yuki-san, Kansai. In Japanese, kuso. There's Japanese, so I will be more. I whisper you. Yawa is kuso. Yeah. Japanese are here. Okay. In Kansai dialect. The same. That's the same. Yeah. People working. Whoa. Sleepy. Konnichiwa, Yuki-san. Konnichiwa. Still going down. That's far from the town. Yeah. Inom? I forgot Inom. Drink. Oh. Kenta, shut up. Kenta, shut up. No need to the information of your poop smelling. No need, Kenta. Not all nice snow. Yeah. Nice. Oh, Kenta, you have a lot of glass. Nindot. Oh yeah, hello. Kinsai Road Arasa Castle, Yuki-san. Kinsai. Dare? Ah, who? I forgot. Naosuke, Mr. Naosuke E. Yuki-san, pag amping. Thank you, Maris. Stop. Sa Yuki, asa di Pirasa Japan, si Carlo, Yolo. Sorry, I don't understand. Please make it more easier. I'm not Bislak. Yeah, I'm still studying beside. Please. So is that right? Kuroso. No. No need RO. Only KUSO. Yuki, warana lagi mask di. Need mask. But no one cares. Fine. Oh, how can I say? Human rights are very strong in Japan. Oh. So, politicians just say, palihog ko imong pag-wear imong mask. Like that. So, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Finally, I landed. There's Hikone. Come on. You pretty. Yes. Hikone. Pretty. Yes, Hikone.
本当に今日最後のご挨拶をして終わりにしましょうか。
He's moving.
はい、それでは皆さん短い時間ではございましたが、そしてはい、短い時間ではございましたが、そしてね、今年も1年ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
ありが とうございました。ありがとうございました。また来年もね、ひこにゃんのことそしてね、それでよろしくお願いいたします。
Looks a little tired.
バイバーイ。
バイバイ。バイバイ。
良いお年を。
良いお年を。Thank you. バイバイ。
皆さんもね、お足元ご注意の上ね、雪道気をつけて歩いてください。ひこにゃんはね、明日も、明後日もここね、どうぞお散歩して。
That's the character of Shiga prefecture. Hikone. Hikone. He's kinda cat, maybe. I hope so. Cutie. Oh, tugnaw naman ka doha? Should I bring cold weather there? Sure. Should I send you snow? Can of snow? Mascot. Yeah. He's a Shiga prefecture's mascot. Yes. Samurai neko. Yeah. He's samurai cat. And I will introduce you about the castle. Castles have moat, well, like river, to protect the castle. But that's frozen. Okay, come on, see. Okay. Yeah. Can you see this one?
Not so frozen.
Moat is frozen. Is that far from your house? Yeah. Little bit far. It took 2 hours from Osaka. This is Shiga prefecture. Kotatsu. Oh, you know well about the culture in Japan. And finally I went down to the town. Yeah, town is white, very white. Let it go. Palico eyes. Oh, sure. I will send you. 2 hours in train. Oh, yeah. 2 hours in train. Oh. Sensei, unsa imong ma-recommend na season mag-visit sa Japan? That's a difficult question, but there's 4 seasons in Japan: April, summer, and autumn and winter. In spring, the end of March until the start of April, you can see sakura. That's very beautiful, but that's very short. Sakura blooms only a week, and in summer, there's a lot of summer festival in Japan. And very hard to walk. This is very slippery. And what did I say? In autumn, you can see orange leaves. Especially in Kyoto, that's a very incredible viewings. That's very good. And in winter, but depends on the weather and the place, you can see snow like this. Okay. Oh, and Kenta asked me, is that fine about the pandemic? How can I say? Is that okay to go out in this pandemic? That's free to go out. But if I get the virus, that's my duty, of course. Yeah, but and how can I say? Politicians and the prime minister says just palihog imonpag, stay at balai. Please palihog, like that. So that's not forcing. Yeah, next. Is autumn also aki in Kansai? Yeah. Only Okinawa prefecture has different weather, but other places almost the same. Northern side is a little cooler though, but almost the same. Yeah. If you have any question, you can ask me this time, so I can answer if I notice. Let's go across before passing through the car. No, after passing through the car. Cars here look slippery. Let's go across. Hey Kevin, hello. I noticed you. Huh?
Lord of
Nindot ba migrate sa Japan? Migrate. Nindot to Japan.
live in another country.
Oh, that's very convenient, actually. But taxi is very expensive. やばいですね、ゆきさん。やばい。くやわ。Yuki, is it safe to eat snow? Not very safe. Of course, if you drink rain, what if you drink rain? That's not clean. You know that? Have you tried it before? Tried what? Tried what? Panotis Pokuya Yuki. Hey, Rach. Hello? Okay. This is very extremely slippery here. Hello, Rona. Okay. Shout out. Sana on ice snow. Hi, Maris. Yuki, can you use snow for kakigori? No, of course no. Whoa. I found snowman. Hello, Elisa. Hello, Alora. Ah. See, this is very different with the Philippines. I think if there's snow in the Philippines, the traffic will be dead. I think. Ah, I'm going to the station, nearest station. Ah, there's a lot of restaurants. Wanna go to Japan? Oh, come on. Hi, Chris. Hello. Hello. Hi, Shan. Hello. Ah. Yuzuru. Hanyu. Ah, sorry, I don't know.
Skater. Ice skater.
Ah, it's. Ah, the skater. Ah, okay. I know. There's snow sometimes in the Philippines, really, in the mountainside, but the ice is so large, like a stone falling from the skis.
Oh, that's not snow, that's hailstorm. Hail.
That's not Yuki. Oh, I call Japanese call it hyo. That's not snow. Shinkansen. Shinkansen. Maybe do you mean Shinkansen? Bullet train? I used JR. That's local train. Let's go to left side. Hello, Mari Morisuke. Hello. Why are you Morisuke? Hello, Tenshi. Tenshi. Your name sounds like angel. Hello, Tenshi. Barato and Shinkansen. Ah, Barato. Barato? No. No, that's Mahal. Mahal Shinkansen. This is a shrine here. Really, Barato and Shinkansen. That's expensive. Do you hang out with Shunki? Not yet. Why tugnaw tugnaw, but I'm walking a lot, so I'm feeling warm. Oh, that's comfortable. Init kayo. Ato Akihabara Sunot Binisaya ni Yuki. Oh, I know Akihabara. Tokyo is boring. I've been there many times for work or something. Like, anything. Finally, I've been to town. Town is white. Town is very white here. Tokyo atsui. The same. The weather is the same with Osaka. Just a little bit cooler, but almost the same. Niigata. Ah, I'm interested in Niigata. Snow White. Manita di Hayuki-san. Getting bright. Getting bright. What's better, Yuki-san, the big cities or the one rich in culture? That's the same with the Philippines. It's up to you. That's up to you. I prefer downtown. But countryside is also good to get relaxed. So, Makaon nag snow kuya? No, Didi. Didi. Not green. Snow is not green. My eldest name, Angel. Second is Ari. And my name is Honey. So combination. I see. You have very beautiful names. Very good. Snowflakes. If you have a microscope, you can see this snowflake like that. I'd like to take a restaurant here, like in McDonald's or Moss Burger or any or cafe. Ado ryokan Yuki. Ryokan. Oh, that's good. I love it. I love to stay at ryokan, Japanese traditional hotel. But I go back to home today. Just seeing snow. Konnichiwa, Yuki-san. Yeah. Okay. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Hello, Jeffrey. I think Niigata is the coolest spot in Japan. No. The coldest place is Hokkaido prefecture, and the northern side is Wakkanai in Hokkaido prefecture. Unsai favorito nimo naga season di hasa Japan. I like summer season. But summer season also. But I like summer season, and I can go to the Philippines, so I feel comfortable in the Philippines. Yeah. It's so very sweet. It's okay. I go back to Niigata when flight is available. Yeah. I hope so. Sana. Going back. I can say go to any places. I'm reaching the station. Okay, see, Kazo masked, huge, because of snow. I'm from Davao City. You should visit ミンダナオ国際大学 MKD だが日本人学生先生も大体 大体日本あ大体日本人あいさいさyeah I'm going to Davao next time yeah and I'll go to I forgot MKD Yuki-san, what do you think is the latest level required to understand anime or Japanese media without subtitle JLPD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
One or
1
two. At least two.
and 2.
Two or one. One is the best.
1 is the best. Okay. マクド行こうかな。メスです。This town is still white. Have you been to Canada? No, I haven't been there. I'm interested. What's up, Yan? Justin. At the 7-Eleven, Yuki. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. It doesn't have, how can I say, a resting space. Snow is getting melting. Okay. I'm finally there, so I'm going to end the live stream. 佐野サイモンパークウォッチcon live stream. かっぽい子かっぽいな子かっぽいなマリパヨンバグon to eat. Thank you. Then Maripayon. No. I forgot. Mayo Adlaw. Mayon Adlaw. Yeah, Mayon Adlaw. Good day. I'm tired. 気をつけて。Thank you, Ampin people. So this is the last live stream in 2020. So thank you for following me. Before I had only 1,000 followers, but it got bigger to 32,000 people. I'm very honored about that. So thank you very much. So how can I say? Please keep following me, so I'll make more funny posts next year. So this is the end. Bye bye. Sigi. See you later. Next year. See you next year. Bye bye. 良いお年を。バイバイ。次な。バイバイ。バイバイ。